Hello everyone, myself Afifa Dingankar from FY Computer Science studying at Gokte Zoglekar College. My topic is Artificial Intelligence. So what is Artificial Intelligence? Artificial Intelligence or AI, sometimes called as Machine Intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines. AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems, which includes learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Particular applications of AI include expert systems, speech recognition, and machine vision. The early history of AI include in 1950, English mathematician Alan Turing published a landmark paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence that asks the question, can machine think? It was the first serious proposal in the philosophy of AI. Further work came out of a 1956 workshop at Dartmouth Conference sponsored by John McCarthy. In the proposal for that workshop, he coined the phrase study of AI. The major branches of AI are robotics, vision systems, learning systems, neutral systems, and expert system. The programming languages used to develop AI are as follows: Lisp, Python, Prolog, Java, and C++. Applications of AI: optical character recognition, handwriting recognition, speech recognition, face recognition, in artificial creativity, and so on. The advantages of AI are error reduction. It means that humans can rely on an algorithm to reduce the risk of error in the interactions with a complex system, but the final decision must remain with the human. Relying on AI means reduction of error. The next advantages are daily application, digital assistance, available 24/7, and faster decisions than humans. As there are advantages, there are a few disadvantages too. High cost, no replicating humans. No replicating humans means humans use content memory and thinking, whereas robots are using built-in instructions designed by scientists. Human intelligence is bigger because it is creation of God, and artificial intelligence, as the name suggests, is artificial, little and temporary, created by humans. The next disadvantages are no improvement with experience, no original creativity, and unemployment. The future of AI: automated transportation, cyborg technology. A cyborg is essentially a man-machine system in which the control mechanisms of the human portion are modified externally by drugs or regulatory devices so that the being can live in an environment different from the normal one. Solving climate change, robot as friends, and improved elder care. The current status of AI is AI has been taken many shapes and forms over recent years. Mobile phones, video games are major users. GPS, robotics, and of course Google, it has been a major play on transcode and deep learning. The inventions of AI: Sophia is the latest invention in the humanoid robot. An Hong Kong-based company, Hanson Robotics, has developed a social humanoid robot called as Sophia. Sophia was turned on February 14, 2016. Sophia has been covered by media around the globe and participated in many high-profile interviews. Now finally we can say that AI is the intelligence of the machine in the branch of computer science that aims to create it. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you guys liked my video.